In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multiple hotels on Expedia. Whether you're planning a multi-city tour, an extended vacation in different destinations, or you simply want to explore more options for your stay, using Expedia's tools can significantly streamline the process. First, you'll need to sign in to your Expedia account. This simple yet crucial step ensures that you have access to all the features and tools Expedia provides for a smooth booking experience. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to set one up. It's quick and easy, and having an account will help you manage all your travel plans efficiently in one place. Once you're signed in, it's time to take advantage of Expedia's Trip Planner. This is a fantastic feature designed specifically to help you keep track of your travel itineraries, including flights, hotels, and activities. The Trip Planner acts as your digital travel assistant, making it easier to organize multiple bookings and avoid the headache of juggling various confirmation emails and reservation details. It's like having all your travel plans tied together neatly with a bow. Now, with your trip planner open, start adding each of your hotel reservations to your trip. This part is essential, especially when booking multiple hotels, because it allows you to view all your accommodations at a glance. Not only does this help you ensure that you have a place to stay at each destination, but it also comes in handy for scheduling activities and knowing exactly when you'll be at each location. The trip planner will display all the details, from check-in to check-out, helping you visualize your entire trip. A useful tip to remember when using the trip planner is to pay attention to the dates you book for each hotel. Double-check to make sure there's no overlap or missing nights in your itinerary. This will save you from the stress of arriving in a city with nowhere to stay. Additionally, if your travel plans change, having everything in the planner makes it much easier to modify or cancel reservations as needed. By organizing your bookings in this way, you're not only creating a comprehensive overview of your trip, but also allowing yourself the flexibility to make changes easily should the need arise. It's all about making your travel planning as stress-free as possible. So, the next time you're planning a journey that involves multiple stops, remember Expedia's Trip Planner for a seamless experience. You can ensure everything is well organized, all in one central location, making your trip both enjoyable and worry-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic travel experience with multiple hotel bookings through Expedia.